of you, if you were to take your parents somewhere, and let's say if you were performing on stage, like maybe doing a dance, a skit, maybe a speech, or anything else that requires you to come in front of a large group of people, say something, do something, your parents, I bet, are rushing in from the back, getting their phones, getting it down in the kneeling position, trying to get the perfect angle of you. And there's a couple problems that come along with this. Number one, that position to hold, I've tried it. It's hard to stay in that position for even for a couple minutes. Number two is that for the rest of the guests there, it's causing them an inconvenience. They have to go to the right, maybe to the left, maybe above, or go under, and it's just a lot of moving around, which also distracts the people that are performing. Last but not least is that at the end of the day, you realize, oh no, the video didn't even come out right. Now we gotta text this person, call this person, see who else made the video, and you're trying to get that video in. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. What if event organizers, they can put up a video camera, and this video camera could take like a 3D video of the performance that is happening. That way, that they can use facial recognition, and in the beginning you sign a consent saying yes, you can do this, and now with facial recognition it could say, oh, this is Amishi, let's send it to Amishi, or Amishi's mom, or Amishi's dad. That way the parents can enjoy the moment. They don't have to look at their child through the screen, through the camera, while they're trying to record it. And also, it would just make it a whole lot easier. What do you think about this unique thought? Anyways, if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by a performance in a couple video cameras, then you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!